Hello,
Hello everyone.
everyone. I'm Alice.
And I'm Hart. Today, we will be presenting the project for the STEAM competition.
First, let's introduce what we are making for the STEAM competition. Our product is a robotic car that is equipped with the following components: a three-wheel car chassis, a motor driver which controls the two rear wheels of the three-wheel car chassis, an ultrasonic sensor that is capable of using sound waves to detect the distance between the sensor and the nearest object, a servo motor which is used to rotate the ultrasonic sensor vertically, and, last but not least, a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver that is used to transmit data to computers for further processing, such as rendering or data analysis. Together, it is a car which can produce a 3D representation of the surrounding environment, which can be used for various purposes. Now I will pass the time to Hart.
Thank you, Alice. Now, we will talk about how our project achieves SDG goals. First, I will talk about how our project achieves SDG Goal 3. Our device can generate a 3D map, which will be sent to computers, allowing planning anywhere. This reduces the time which workers need to stay at construction sites, which reduces the risk of accidents. This ensures the good health and well-being of workers, thereby achieving SDG 3. Now, let's talk about how our project achieves SDG Goal 8.8. The device can be used for monitoring remotely, as it can provide a 3D CCTV, allowing managers to monitor workspaces better. This allows managers to warn workers if they see anything dangerous through the 3D CCTV, thereby reducing occupational accidents. This makes working environments safer and more secure, thereby achieving SDG Goal 8.8. Now, I will pass the time to Alice.
Now we will be demonstrating the prototype of our device. Repeat the same process with the car facing every other wall. It would be able to produce a 3D representation that would represent the environment. Now we will explain how our prototype and how our final product will work. First, the device will scan vertically and generate vertices for points with the data from the ultrasonic sensor mounted on the device. Then the device will send the data over Bluetooth to a computer which is connected to the Bluetooth module of the device. Then the car will move to an appropriate position by first rotating the device to scan the surrounding areas, then moving the car appropriately. The above process will be repeated until completion of the generation of a 3D representation of the environment.
That concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope to have a chance to show our project to you live, so please vote for us, 2E Group E.